everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of the most popular games in the world, Fruit Ninja. This is a quick demo of the game. I uploaded the backdrop from Google. If you wish to get another backdrop, you can get it from scratch. Like I got the neon tunnel background from scratch. These are a few codes that I have put in the stage that are important. The score is set to 0. This is the slicer that I created in Scratch itself. I created it using the paint block. I created a small square and of a very light color. This is a list that I use slice X and slice Y, which I have limited to 4. Once it crosses 4, the slices get deleted. I have defined a block draw slice. I have used extensions of pen. My pen up and pen down are following the coordinates of slice X and slice Y from the list. I have used the index variable and repeat until. In green flag, I have set the pen size and put the down slice in the forever block. I created the begin button using Scratch itself. I went to costumes and uploaded two balls, one small and one big, and I put it on top of each other. These are a few codes that I put. So it turns at the start of the game, like you saw. I first show the slicer. I go to the eyedropper. I select its color. And then I go to the slice button and I make it invisible again. I stop the script once I receive the start screen broadcast. These are the lives that I have created. There are 3 lives. I have created this myself. So there are 3 lives, 2 lives, 1 lives, and 0 lives. When I receive the mixed fruit, the costume number changes to 4 and it broadcasts end game. These are the fruits that I created. I have created the costumes apple, banana, orange, and watermelon, 4 sprites. And the fifth costume is bomb. And the next 4 costumes are the sliced fruits and the bomb. I have created a few variables such as the number of fruit, random fruit number, rotation speed, x velocity, y velocity, and the score. It picks random 1 to 4, the number of fruits, and the x axis and y axis is completely random. The x velocity and y velocity, like I said, are picked random, and even the rotation speed is random. And it creates a clone of itself. I've set the size to 100 when it starts as a clone, and the y position, the rotation speed, and when it touches the color of the slicer, and the costume is equal to 5, that means it's touched the bomb, it broadcasts endgame. And if the costume is less than 5, the score increases and it changes by 1, and the costume also changes. If the costume number is less than 5, then it broadcasts missed fruit and the clone is deleted, and the lives also update. I have changed the color of the neon tunnel just to make it a little fancy. Thank you for watching. Please enjoy, share this game with your friends, and make this yourself too.